This old guy DIY video has to do with repurposing an old trampoline surface. Now, a hot chick that I know lives on a lake. Last year I built that little kayak holder for her, and she said when it rained, the mud was splashing back up on the kayaks and she wanted to stop that. So what we're doing today is I took this piece of old trampoline, used some 12-inch spikes, and I put it around the edges. So we have this pulled out. So at least when it rains, the rain will still run off, but there's no dirt to be splashed up on the kayaks. So now we're going to put the kayak holder right here in the middle of this big pizza pan, put the kayaks in place, and this summer she'll know if my great plan works. This is what it looks like with the kayak holder on the big pizza plate. Now we'll load up the kayaks. And this is what it looks like with the full complement of kayaks over the glorified splash guard. So I'll come down here later and drill a hole through the end of the pipe here and through the end of the other pipe and just run one rope. That'll go over so we can tie this whole thing in like a burrito. We're facing west right now. You get some pretty heavy winds from the west, and at least that should keep everything from blowing away. So I hope this little idea helped you, and have a great day.